Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious brownie tower cake. First, gather all your ingredients, like your favorite brownie mix, eggs, and oil. Next, follow the package instructions carefully to prepare your brownie batter. Finally, bake your brownies in a 9 by 13-inch pan until they are perfectly set and ready for the next step. This simple start ensures a great foundation for your impressive dessert. Once your brownies are baked, it's crucial to let them cool completely. Patience here prevents crumbling. Then, grab a sharp knife and carefully cut your cooled brownies into uniform squares. Precision helps with stacking. Now, begin arranging these squares on your chosen serving plate, building them up to form the base of your magnificent tower. Get ready to see your creation take shape.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more sweet tips. And speaking of delicious treats, if you have any leftover brownies or just want to make meal prep a breeze, check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They keep everything fresh. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the fun part, frosting and decorating. Prepare your favorite frosting, whether it's a rich buttercream or a smooth ganache. Apply a thin, even layer of frosting between each brownie square as you stack them. This acts as both glue and flavor. Finish by decorating your tower with colorful sprinkles, fresh fruit, or elegant chocolate shavings for that perfect final touch. To ensure your brownie tower stands tall and proud, insert a few wooden skewers directly through the center. This provides essential stability, especially for taller towers. After assembly, chill your entire creation in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This helps the frosting set and makes the tower much easier to handle and serve. Your guests will be amazed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.